everybody and welcome back to my channel, and as you've probably guessed by this lovely box being here and also the thumbnail, I am going to be building this. Shouldn't take too long, but it was a request from one of my Patreons named Colin, who really likes to watch me build these things because he says he hasn't seen me so excited about anything for a long time. So I'm just going to very quickly get this sorted out and we're going to go from there. And like last time, I'm going to pretty much do a speed through of this unless we find something that I say something or something. Now, this more than anything is the reason I've got this set. I absolutely love this. The head tails are amazing. Ahsoka's just beautiful. I love her. Okay, so actually I made her lightsabers wrong. I've just noticed that there's an extra baggie which has a lightsaber in it, so I know that it shows Ahsoka wielding them like that, but technically because of the way Ahsoka kind of duels, shouldn't she like have them kind of like that? Oh shit, sorry. There we go. If you notice, I've got two crowns. Maybe if one goes missing. And that's them all done. But they also have an extra lightsaber piece. I found it. Okay, so that goes there, like that. super impressed with this kit. The fact that these bits can move and this can attach. So breaking it the instant that she's done it. Damn it. Is pretty cool. I'm going to just put this back before I forget. The fact that the window kind of shatters the way it does in Clone Wars, I wish that you could like have a tiny little mechanism or something at the back so you could stop that from happening when you didn't want it to. Darth Maul is super detailed. I really love his lightsaber. It's really cool. His little helmet horns bit is really cool. The whole chair, and I really love, I don't know if you noticed, there's a little drawer underneath it that has a blaster in it, and that's absolutely amazing and I love it so much. I'll put that back up. Oh no, the blaster fell out. And then we have Ahsoka herself, my lady. Absolutely love this woman. Her little double lightsabers are adorable. Sorry, I am aware that I keep doing this so that you guys can't see, and that's a bit pointless. I'm going to take off her helmet. Now, I am like loving this here, the Leku and Montreal little set. It's absolutely adorable. I kind of want a set of these as earrings because they're so cute. So yeah, I actually got this set for Ahsoka herself. She's adorable, and I didn't want to buy the larger set that also has an adorable Ahsoka with it. I don't think that one has Captain Rex, otherwise I might have been happy to do it. But so far I've got Ahsoka and Maul, and this is, and again I've put this to one side. I absolutely love this. The little details of the paneling on the side and the fact that it's a proper storage section. Let me just show you. You do have to take his lightsaber out. There is no two ways about it, but once you stand Darth Maul in there, I don't know if you can see, if I can get the light to angle so you can see, but you can kind of just see his eyes through the slit, which was one of the key points of the Clone Wars. So if you could get like a tiny little light source in here, I think it would be an absolutely amazing little display. I love this so much. This is amazing. I am gonna actually take him out of there though. I think, actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna display him in an alternate universe. Darth Maul is locked away, and Ahsoka is the ruler of Mandalore, because I think that would be pretty cool. Though she won't fit on there with her Montreals. She can't sit. Oh no. Something I did notice that I think they should have made a little bit more of a kind of nod to let you know is I thought I'd messed up building this, because one side of these, as you can see, is all straight down, and you may have seen me take this apart and rebuild it a couple of times, because on the other side it's all the other way, but it doesn't show you that. So yeah, I think this is a cute little set. It only took me about half an hour to put together, which is so much less time than the 501st set. And I do have the Bad Batch set that I am also going to build at some point. However, being that this is the last video before the wonder that is October, we are going to be doing our Octoberthon, which is one video a day, trying to stick to the October theme of horror and scary spoopiness for the entire month. And it is nothing to do with the fact that I like the scary month. I do love the scary month, but this is actually to do with religious stuff. So if you're interested in that and don't want to be a dick about it, then by all means leave me some questions down below and I will get around to answering that. However, I do hope that you have enjoyed this little mini speed build, and look how cool she looks sitting on her throne while the slaves in. Actually, oh, can I? No, I can't do that way. Okay, there we go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, please do like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care, have fun, and goodbye.